want all of you to get benefit, that's all. You don't get disturbed by your talks. So, the culture of devotion or culture of worship means Satam Prasiddham Mamavirya Sanjibhau. The scripture says gathering up together and discussing about the topic of the Lord. So today here we are discussing about the topic of Lord Vishnu. Especially in the worship of Lord Vishnu, we can describe if you are a host holding a program and you call a lot of devotees to your home to attend this program, everyone gets benefit. But from every devotee, the share is divided into half and half. Half you take it and half you give to money because the program had by it. So every devotee that came to your home for the program, they have to give half of their share to you. That's what happens in worship of Krishna. So now, how does this story come up about Lord Vishnu? We know from scriptures that there are 4 types of people who actually come to God, or 4 types of people who want to do something in a relationship to God. 4 types of people. I have told you that before. Except for devotees. Amarnathji, what is the first among the 4? You tell me any among the 4. What type of people? Why do you go to God? Or why do people want to do some type of puja? Want something? Or in particular, let's make it this way. One may be those people who are in need of wealth. थोड़ा धन चाहिए, ठीक है? Our boss ने थोड़ा note किया, boss has given me a letter, he has fired me from his job. So next thing, before I go to my home, to my wife, I should go to Krishna. Why was that happening? Or why did this happen to me? So basically, some people go to God in the need of wealth. And some people go to God because they went to hospital, doctor told them that you have a cancer which has developed on you. Only by the mercy of God can this be cured. I can't do anything about it. So what is the first thing you do? You go to Krishna. So Shastra says the second group of person is one who is in the need of health. First is one who is in the need of wealth. Then third one is being described as the person who is inquisitive. Ups and downs of the life. Sometimes the wife tells people, we are the best partners. There can be no better partners than us. Other than you quarrel with the wife and you start thinking, yes, because the life is up and down. So this is called jigyasu. Sometimes because you face certain types of difficulties in your life, either it is in a relationship or anyway, then you feel maybe I should understand better about it. The reality क्या है इसमें? कभी होता है? What is the reality behind it? Just like we know of Lord Buddha, this inquisitiveness was the cause of his perfection. Okay? You know how it happens? He came out of his palace. What did he see? First he sees a child that is born. A child that is born, he is looking for the milk of a mother. He is looking, where is my mommy? I want to drink milk now. And he doesn't get it, then he starts sucking his thumb. Then he looks. A second category of a child. That child is looking for a cricket bat. He is saying, where is my bat and ball? So he is looking for a bat and ball. Then he looks at a person who is looking for a wife. कोई बारात में जा रहा है पत्नी लेने। हरे कृष्णा। थोड़ा आवाज यहाँ कम करिए प्लीज। So when he saw that somebody is going for a barat, शादी के लिए, everybody is searching. Then he saw a older diseased person going to a hospital to see a doctor. Okay? He's struggling for his life. And he walks further and he sees that a dead body being carried towards Samsanga. So he thought, in one particular race of human, all these different types of changes. Somebody is struggling for the food. Who is struggling for the food? The baby. He is looking for the food. And second one is struggling for the cricket bat to play. The third one is struggling for health or shadi. She is trying to look for a partner. And other one has a partner. He lives with a partner for very long now. He starts getting sick. He looks for the doctor. Then other person has rejected all family life, everyone, and he's going to Samsanga. That's what the life is about. Struggle for the food, struggle for the cricket bat, for the play, then you struggle for finding a partner, then you struggle for the health, then you are struggling for the existence itself. Or you are just, seeking, can anyone give me a life? Then doctor give me one tablet and in return that I can have a life back. So everyone is struggling. So he thought, if the life is full of struggle, then why should I try so hard for the struggle of life? Why don't I try for coming out of the struggle? Yes? So therefore what he did? He rejected his palace. He says, I'm going to be like this tomorrow, so better not be attached to my palace, and I'm going to go and look for the better thing in my life. What is better than that? So he went for his Bodhatva. This is called, therefore he is known as a Buddha. Buddha means Bodhatva. What does Bodhatva mean? Knowledge and understanding, searching for the understanding. This is called inquisitive about life. When things happen up and down, you want to know what is the reality. Then the third part is inquisitiveness. Fourth part is called Jnani. Now, after I gave the four things that people go for, knowledge, the fourth step, the person realizes, So Yamaraj, when Yaksha asking Maharaj Yudhishthira, you all know Yudhishthira Maharaj. So once the five brothers were going to the lake to drink water, and a then what happened was all the four brothers are been killed. Only Maharaj Yudhishthira is left. So he's wondering, who has killed my brothers? Yudhishthira Maharaj, mere sare bhai. Who is the cause of all this? Then he looks up, then Yaksha is saying, my dear Yudhishthira, I am the cause of their death. You don't give me an answer. अगर तुमने मुझे मेरे प्रश्न के उत्तर नहीं दिया तो फिर तुम्हारा हालत भी वही होगा जो तुम्हारा भाई का होने वाला क्या हो चुका बोले महाराज बताइए कहते हैं कि इस संसार में सबसे इनमें से काफी प्रश्न पूछे कितने प्रश्न था 12 प्रश्न किया 12 क्वेश्चन so of that one of the question was what is the most astonishing thing in the universe? Astonishing, surprising thing. What is most surprising? Kim Ashcharya. Then he said that Kim Ashcharya, everyone is being fried. जैसे आप लोग जानते हैं जैसे बॉम्बे ट्रेन स्टेशन में जाते हैं क्या करते हैं पकोड़ा फ्राई करते हैं है ना बहुत बड़ा कढ़ाई होता है so they throw maybe 10 pakodas 15 pakodas or 20 pakodas at the same time and he takes the chani and goes and throws down in the tail again. So he said, every one of us are being fried like a pakodas. And this pakoda is called the pakoda of oil of Janma, Mrityu, Jara and Vyadhi. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi is frying everyone up. Are you protected from it? Nobody is protected. He said, nobody is protected from that. But still the pakoda that is not in the oil is laughing at the pakoda in the oil saying, भैया तुम तो काले हो गए मैं तो गोरा हूँ अब तक देखो भैया तुम तो चले गए तुम तो मर गए परंतु मेरा जीवन देखो कितना खूबसूरत है और वो नहीं जानता है तो वो नहीं जानता है कि इस बैच के पीछे वही बैच होगा है ना जब एक बैच पकोड़ा पकेगा दूसरा बैच फिर जाना ही है ना अंदर तो बोलते हैं एक बैच तो चला गया ठीक है ना यमालय आपके आगे आने वाले तो आपके पिताजी और माताजी तो चल बैठे है ना मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव इट our grandparents are gone maybe parents are waiting most of us the parents are gone we are waiting then Yudhishthira Maharaj is saying although he आगे आने वाले भी चले गए हैं और कोई कोई पीछे आने वाले भी चले गए हैं, और जो बीच में खड़ा होने वाला व्यक्ति बोलता है कि मेरा तो कभी बारी नहीं आएगा, इट इज नेवर माई टर्न. यस, therefore he follows the philosophy called यावत जीवन सुखम जीवन घृतम जीवन. अरे मैं तो बचते रहूंगा, अब ऋण लेकर के भी घी खा लूंगा, मतलब आई विल टेक अ लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक, आई विल बिल्ड अ बिग हाउस और सदा के लिए जीऊंगा. But he does not know that like other pakoras, he is also going to be fried. And Yudhishthira Maharaj said this is the most surprising thing, that although everyone is being fried in this ocean of birth, death, old age and disease, but everyone thinks that I am the one that is going to be spared. मैं बचूंगा. Sometimes we have that feeling. So he said, यही सबसे surprise बात. So therefore, the 4 types of people come to the Supreme Court. What are they? Please, Javin, I don't know for you. I know that you have heard this last 2 minutes. अमरनाथ जी बताइए, आपसे चालू किया, आपसे आप करना. फर्स्ट वन, हाँ, और सेकंड वन माता जी आप लोग भी बोलिए ना. हेल्थ, थर्ड वन, हाँ, ओके, हेल्थ वेल डन. थर्ड वन, हाँ, inquisitiveness. We are going to figure out things in a better way. That one who is knowledge, he understands what is the reality of this world. क्योंकि ऐसा चलते ही रहेगा, आदमी कभी खुश हो नहीं पाएगा. Everyone is hankering for the wealth, but no one is happy. So maybe let me take a different track now. So he goes for the path of knowledge. Understand something better. So 4 types of people that come to the Supreme Lord. Now you decide where you belong. I will decide for myself where I belong. So we can all decide. But eventually, in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna, this comes from Bhagavad Gita. Krishna, no one makes the philosophy as clear as Krishna. Very clear. Then he says that Chaturvida Vajantemam Jana Sukrimti Arjuna Artha Jitya Suratati Esam Jnana Vittayukto Eka Bhakti Visheshyate. Then he says Udara Sarvayevaiti. He says all these 4 types of people are very great. He doesn't say anyone else is great. But all this Udara Sarvayevaiti Gyani Takt Maivameva. जो व्यक्ति, जो 4 प्रकार के व्यक्ति अभी भगवान ने बताया, बोलते ये सब बहुत महान है, ये सब बहुत महान है. तो फिर भगवान महान इसीलिए कहते हैं, बोलते कम से कम जीवन में देने वाले व्यक्ति को तो पहचान लिया नहीं, है ना. बहुत लोग तो चाहते हैं, परंतु we are confused about who can give us. Therefore we try out everywhere. But at least these 4 types of people, they know where to get it. चना किसी को कहा जाता है, just like if a child is hungry and before he finds the food he breaks everything in the room. उसे इतना तोड़ने का कैसे होता है? फ्रिज में जाकर फ्रिज खोल लेता, वो चाहे सब कुछ बचा लेगा. तो ऐसा ही जो मनुष्य भगवान को जानते हैं, कृष्ण बोलते हैं कि इधर उधर तोड़ फोड़ तो नहीं किया ना हमसे. You are not confused about things. You knew you wanted something. The idea was clear, and you knew who could give you that. Because they have understood somebody that can provide them what they need. They never made a mistake here and there. He says, therefore, Udara Sarvayevaiti, they are all magnanimous. They are all great because they understood the fact who is the giver. Udara Sarvayevaiti, Gyani Tak Maivameva, Ashtita Sayuta Tameva Uttamam. Then he says, how great are they? How great are these people? He says, बहुनाम जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञान वामम प्रपादते वासुदेव सर्वकीर्ति समात्म सदुर्लभ. केवल इतना ही बात जानने के लिए जो 4 व्यक्ति जो भगवान के पास जाते हैं ना, इतना फिगर आउट करने के लिए भगवान कहते हैं कितना समय लगता है. बहुनाम जन्मनामन्ते, ये तो बहुत जन्म लेने के बाद अकल आया है बुद्ध के सर में. बुद्धिमान के सर में सीख नहीं होते, तो बुद्धि होता है. बोलता आगे अकल तो आ गया ना, कम से कम इतना जन्म लेने के बाद वासुदेव सर्वमिति, भगवान वासुदेव को ही सब कुछ समझ लिया इसने. बहुत अच्छे थे, बहुत. So I am going towards this one. So devotees like to hear Satyanarayana. So of these 4 types of people, those who come to worship Satyanarayana ji are of these 4 types. That's what it is. So now we get into the story directly. Four types of people you understood. They are very great as they came to Lord Vishnu. Now, in life, humans need four things very clear: dharma, artha, kam, and moksha. Everyone needs to make some type of livelihood because they are the human body. Krishna says, Naika Chicharama. You cannot even remain for a second without doing anything. Everyone needs to have a job. Naika Chicharama. Now, therefore, you need artha and dharma. Now, the thing is, whenever you accumulate things, you must always think where you are going to throw things. जैसे आपको घर बनाते हैं ना, we all have the house. Now, in the house, you design everything, but you forgot to build the toilet inside the house. What happens? You can go to someone's restaurant and say, I want to come and eat in your restaurant every day because I have no kitchen. You will be very happy and say, okay, you can come. But if you go to somebody and say, I forgot to build a toilet in my house, can I come and use your toilet every day? You will say, no. Yes? So therefore, renunciation is more important than attachment. So therefore, dharma is the path of renunciation. At least know where you are going to detach things. Because when you consume too many things, you have to reject somewhere else. So this is called the process of dharma. You need dharma, artha, kam, sense gratification to some level has to be there, and moksha. Ultimately, once sense gratification is enjoyed, then you have to leave everything and go for shreyas, go for the path of perfection. So Satyanarayana Katha is similar to that. Going through all these four and ultimately also going to know this. This is Satyanarayana Katha.